traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor lining up runway 22 for an upwind departure to Moorabbin. Tooradin. Okay, liner up on the arrows, heads off the runway, to full power. Tooradin traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor rolling runway 22, Tooradin. Airspeed's alive. 55. And we're flying.
Tooradin traffic, Tango Alpha X-ray, turning base for touch and go, Tooradin traffic. On 22. Tooradin traffic, Sierra X-ray kilos, taxiing runway 22, parachute operations at Tooradin.
The traffic ahead. Only that guy ahead, nobody left, nobody right, he's turning. Far back to 3000.
Overhead Karam at 1500, inbound with Romeo.
Uniform November Zulu, tower join downwind runway 17 right.
Downwind 17 right, uniform November Zulu.
That's Sam. There he is.
Oscar X-ray Delta.
Moorabbin Tower, Piper Archer Juliet Hotel Sierra is Karam 1500 inbound with Romeo.
Hotel Sierra tower join downwind runway 17 right.
And Oscar X-ray Delta, primary, you put the 4000 foot NDB overhead.
Join downwind 17 right.
That's what done.
Can't help you, no transponder, so I'm not sure where he is.
Copy that.
Alpha Bravo India is Moorabbin Oval.
Bravo India number 1.
Alpha Bravo India, and we're just going to briefly line up with 13 for training purpose.
Okay, that won't frighten me now.
Good.
Hotel Oscar India traffic crossing right to left, heading north there.
Just got barely compensated, cheers.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor at Karam 1500 inbound with Romeo.
Sierra Victor tower join downwind runway 17 right, traffic at Cherokee.
Okay, Delta climb 4000.
17 right, looking for traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Moorabbin Tower, India Tango Kilo is approaching Brighton 1500 inbound with Romeo.
Tango Kilo tower, as you maintain 1500, join upwind, runway 17 right.
Maintain 1500, join upwind, 17 right, Tango Kilo.
Oscar India Moorabbin Oval.
Kilo Hotel Sierra, that Cessna's at about your 230 now to mile.
Juliet Hotel Sierra looking.
So you square up your downwind leg there now, you're not going to catch him, he's on a close mid-downwind.
Juliet Hotel Sierra, roger.
Hey, good power. Bravo Sierra Victor joining downwind.
17 right. Bravo Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, follow the Cherokee over South Lane, joining base.
Traffic sighted, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Brad, 1500.
Brakes, undercarriage, extra master mags,
Fly to the eastern circuit, maintain 1500, overhead call tower 118.1.
landing light on, all temperatures and pressures are in the green,
Going up into the eastern circuit, 11.
watches and harnesses secure.
Kilo.
Oscar Echo, maintain 1500, and for the moment, join upwind for 17 right, might put you on left as you get a bit closer.
Tango Kilo.
Echo Oscar Echo, did you copy that?
Tango Cherokee at Karam, 1500 feet inbound for runway 17 right with Romeo.
Echo Oscar Echo, maintain 1500, overfly for the eastern circuit, overhead call tower on 118.1.
Echo Oscar Echo, Winter was on the 500 feet over flat field, contact 118.1.
X-ray, traffic fixed wing crossing mark, rigged on base there, report on the ground.
Copy and visual, we're passing behind now, we'll report on the ground, thanks, Kilo X-ray.
And
Clear to land. Fox Par Victor, you're joining downwind for 17 right, confirm?
Correct, joining downwind 3 miles.
Par Victor, roger. Follow Cessna, late downwind, about to turn base.
Looking Fox Par Victor.
X-ray, further traffic, Cessna, late downwind, just a little to your right there.
Copy and we're moving, thanks, Kilo X-ray.
Great, X-ray.
second stage.
Upwind to the eastern circuit.
Moorabbin Sundown Sierra Uniform Golf, Canada 1500, receive Romeo inbound.
Sierra from Golf, clear is not available, remain clear.
Sierra Uniform Golf.
Hotel Sierra, clear to land.
Juliet Hotel Sierra, clear to land.
Hotel Sierra, firm, clear to land.
Bravo Sierra Victor's turning final.
Sierra Victor, number 1 now.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Confirming I'm joining upwind for the eastern circuit.
Tango Kilo AFM, but you need to call 118.1.
118.1.
25.
Sierra Uniform Golf, you can join downwind runway 17 right now.
Sierra Uniform Golf, join downwind and survey right.
Anybody else at camera trying to call?
Sierra Uniform Golf, down Caram.
Somebody else at Caram trying to call?
Moorabbin Tower, Charlie Uniform Tango at Caram, 1500 inbound for 17 right with Romeo.
Hey from Tango, join downwind runway 17 right. Other traffic's a red and white Sundowner. I think he's still out to your right there, doing a right turn to come back onto downwind.
Traffic sighted Tower, Charlie from Tango.
Tango.
And Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 152 Whiskey India Hotel is at Caram 1500 inbound, received Romeo.
The Hotel Tower, join downwind runway 17 right. Traffic 2 Cherokees inbound ahead of you.
17 right downwind, Whiskey India Hotel, got the traffic in sight.